Nashwan and Nusaybah fun time.
Hi guys, welcome back to Nashwan and Nusaybah's Fun Time. Today we're at the Mayfield Park. There are peacocks over there.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see those peacocks.
Yep. Come on, let's go.
There's butterflies flying around here. This is the Mayfield house.
Yeah.
Over there are peacocks on top of the roof. Wow, four of them. They just flew up onto that tree.
We're gonna go inside the peacock field area. Peacock.
But we have to give the peacock space because
the
they are
peacocks-
wild birds.
Wild birds.
And they could get aggressive.
Yes.
There's like a rocky trail over here. This is the prickly pear cactus.
Yeah, it looks very beautiful with the
And
flowers.
The flower on the prickly pear cactus can be used to make jam and other different types of sweet foods.
Wow.
And it's covered with spikes, so it can defend against animals who want to eat it.
Yes. That's a good way to protect the cactus.
So we're in this forest area. When we
Yeah.
were walking through the trail, we went into this forest.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go back.
Because there's peacocks over there.
Yeah, and not here.
More.
Yeah,
There should be more than four.
Yeah, because then,
And we even got our notebooks and our little baggies.
yeah.
So if we want, we can look at the peacocks and we can draw them. We're inside the Peacock Park. Yeah. We
we
tried
didn't-
went
we
over
tried
there
run
and we
over
tried
there
this
and come
door.
this-
We didn't think so.
Yeah.
There's a gate over
Over there,
here.
and it was open.
We thought it was closed. Then we're like, let's try again. Let's try again and let's see if that gate opens.
Our dad
Gate
tried
opened,
it.
and then
and-
we were in here.
Yeah.
So there's like a little fountain over here.
Yeah, maybe it's a peacock.
And there's like this sculpture over here, which is like kind of really cool. But then over here we have the fountain.
And over there, I think there's another one connected to that one. We shouldn't get close because we might get inside of the water.
The water is like really like tealy-ish.
Yeah.
And look, the tiny butterflies are coming down.
Yeah.
Or they're leaves.
Wow.
And there's some flowers over there.
Yep. This is so cool.
I think there's a peacock over there. So, I think there could be peacocks.
And butterflies. This is so cool. I think these peacocks are going to be famous because they might watch our channel.
That one is really close to us, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that. That peacock is really
Beautiful.
And then we have this peacock just sitting over here under the tree. Whoa! Birds are over there. Yeah, that's a peacock.
It's so cool. You better beware of bugs.
There it is. That's
So
a nice
cool.
one. There's a massive peacock over there. Look at that.
This place is so cool.
Oh, look. They're over there, too. That's a nice peacock. Guys, so don't go too close. There it is. We're really close to it, and I think it's spotted us that we're kind of in its territory.
Wow, the colors, I love the colors on the peacock.
They could bloom any second, which would be like really cool.
And I see there's kind of things on its head. I love the colors on the peacock, really. Wow.
And it has strong legs to like run away. But the peacock's feathers are the most beautiful part of it.
Yes, and I think it should be like very soft. Peacock. It can bloom anytime, so I think we should keep it.
And it's under this tree, so it's like it's shaded. So no sun gets on it.
They're resting time.
Yeah. Taking a rest because otherwise they would have been like going out and eating seeds. Bye, peacock.
Walking.
Can you go? Bye bye.
I think it's eating time now.
Guys, I think it might be. I think it's gonna spread its.
I hope it does. Spread your feathers.
You can see those little details in those feathers.
Yeah.
It comes naturally. Oh my god, guys, it could actually bloom.
Yes. Wow.
Come on, do it. A little bit more. It's gonna happen. From the trees, I think like there's seeds that come down to it and that fall in those bushy areas. And she turns around to eat those small little seeds. Is that one actually gonna do it? I think it wants to go and meet her friends. I'm gonna bring out my notebook and see if I can draw this. So, we brought our notebooks. This is my most favorite notebook that I like to bring when traveling. And we're gonna see if we can actually draw this beautiful peacock.
Yes. Wow. It's going to bloom. I think so. Guys, this is so cool. It's going on the trail, guys. Yeah. There are many beautiful fishes in all of these ponds.
This one might have the most prettiest. Wow. Look at those different colors.
Look at that red one.
Look. It's coming up to drink some, to get some air maybe. Wow.
I see a baby fish.
Oh, look at the beautiful purple flower. Come here, guys. That's a purple water lily. Look at that.
Its tail is so beautiful. I see a baby fish right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Look down over here.
Lighthouse.
So many fish which are just coming around us, like over here. And I think the water is bubbling to keep some air. So when the fish want to, they can go over there and get some air. This is also for the oxygen of the fish. This fish looks really cool. It has red eyes and it has like a red skin color. They open their mouth to like eat the leaves sometimes. Over there, see? One's going to the other side. There is a purple lily.
Yeah, right there. There's another one.
Over
We're
there
gonna
too.
check that one out.
I'm gonna give you guys a closer look on this purple lily. That's a really nice flower. Wow. This is like a lighthouse
And it looks like Gargamel's tower.
from Smurfs.
Yep.
But I think this is like a watch area.
It looks like it's like locked.
Yeah.
Maybe. And it looks like a tower. Rapunzel's tower.
Semi-lighthouse. All of these fountains are really beautiful,
Yes.
especially for the one with the purple lilies.
And the fishes.
Fishes are really cool.
Yes, and I love the flowers on the.
And they have their own unique pattern of scales and colors.
Wow, look at that.
Buy all the peacocks, buy all the fish,
Buy all the fish. Buy all the birds too.
Well, guys, we're gonna have to go from the Mayfield to Peacock Park.
Yeah.
But guys, remember those drawings that we drew over here? When we go back home, we're gonna color them and show you what we drew.
Yep.
See you at home. Bye.